So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket and Z.ai. The team behind GLM has released a new version of GLM, that is GLM 5.1. It is said to be the best agentic model in the open source arena, and we have already covered a few videos on GLM 5.1, but this one is different. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, I will be showing you how you can access the free API key. Yes, I'm not kidding. The free API key for GLM 5.1. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into model research. I'll be sharing the link in the comment section below. You can check it out. And here you need to log in with your email ID. So I've already logged in with my email ID. The next step is to create a token. So this is free to create. Don't worry. I have created test 10 minutes ago. As you can see, to create a token, just enter a name and you'll be able to get it. The next is, as you can see, rate limits are concurrent request is one, else it looks to be unlimited. Here are the model details. Pricing, it's available for free until April 30th. So that's about a few days for me. You can also access the model for free, test it out. And once you are done with this, just copy this code, take your API key and hit enter. So here you can see that I've already tried the API key, which has given me a status 200. Here you can see that the prompt tokens are 13. Completion tokens of 188, request size 129 bytes, latency, duration, etc. So every detail is coming here. Let's try out the API key. So this is the code I'm trying on Google Colab. I just used an exclamation mark before the curl request to hit it. And here you can see the answer I'm getting. The user asking for the count of letter R in word, strawberry, and then it is analyzing the output. I'm not jumping into it. Let me ask it a simple question. What is the capital of India? Let me enter again. This will take a few seconds or a minute to generate the response. And on the dashboard for model research, you'd be able to see that how many tokens, what was the latency, the input token size, the output token size is there. So GLM 5.1 is the best open source model for coding. I think you all should try it out definitely. And as you get getting it a free API key, you should use it. Do remember that it is a floating point 8 precision model. So it's not the actual model, but a little lighter one. Here you can see that the capital is New Delhi. So in this way, you can use the free API key from model research to use GLM 5.1. As you can see, this is my API key that I would be deleting. So don't think of copying it. I would be deleting this API key for sure. So in the previous video, I've already covered how to use the model for free using Olama without GPU also, how to chat with the model, and now we are giving the free API key also. So don't waste this chance to use the latest AI models for free from your local system using the API key. And yes, the model size is huge, 750 billion parameters, something that would be trillions, that would be terabytes of GBs of memory. So you won't be able to run this locally. So this is a great chance to explore the model and use it for free. I hope you try it out and see you in the next video. Here you can see that you can see all the post requests here. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out the free API key. The link is in the comment section below.